There's a new AI software that helps you optimize your YouTube videos and channel so you get more subscribers and views. Do you want better optimized titles? What about an optimized description that doesn't sound like AI and it's better than vidIQ and TubeBuddy? What about timestamps? Well, you also get that in seconds. You also get AI thumbnails, which is perfect for any AI channel and also gives you inspiration on how to design thumbnails so you stand out on YouTube. You also get an optimized tag or tags that bring your old videos back to life. Not only optimizing your videos, but this software also gets shorts from your videos so you can use them on social media. So sit back in your seat so I can show you how this software works and how you can use it on your own YouTube channels so you get more views and more subscribers. Let's go. So this software is called Taja.ai. So Taja.ai, Sora.ai, video AI software, creates videos using AI. Let's go filters, tone. So we've got uplifting, clickbaity, professional, controversial. Let's go with clickbaity. Yeah, because that's what works on YouTube. Again, this might take 10 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's just wait and see how long this takes. Okay, that took about 25 seconds. So that's very quick. You don't even have to do anything. It writes up descriptions for you. The tags, it's actually picked up what's actually inside the video, which is interesting. This video, what we're going to do is we're going to generate thumbnail visuals. Great thing about this is it actually shows you how to create the thumbnails. When you're in Taja, just watch this tutorial. It's kind of cool. You can delete images, you can delete any spelling mistakes, you can change things. Like, that's kind of crazy, but in a cool kind of way, yeah? You can also create shorts. So I'm going to click on this and let's just see how long this takes. So that probably took about 3 to 4 minutes, which is kind of fast, and we've got 2 shorts out of it as well. So it's done all the hashtags for me, it's done the title. Well, so far this actually looks quite good, a lot similar to some other AI video stuff in terms of colors here, the text. You can delete anything here, which is really good. If there's any spelling mistakes, you can trim it. Let's go to backlog boost. Let's try revive this one here, Sora.ai. This video should have got thousands, if not tens of thousands of views. It only got 56 views. Let's revive it. And one thing I love about this as well is this is only version 1. Like, imagine what version 2 is going to be like. Imagine what version 10 is going to be like. You can save so much time optimizing things, writing descriptions. The descriptions here, way better than using vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Writing descriptions, writing titles, doing all the timestamps, coming up with ideas on a thumbnail. It's all time consuming. This is just going to save a lot of time. Kind of cool. Highly recommend. It's going to save you a ton of time. Like, it's literally done everything for me. That's amazing. Put your videos in, connect your channels, try it out. Just see what this app can do for your channel. You might use it and your channel blows up and you get hundreds of thousands of views or millions of views. Whatever it is, you've got nothing to lose. This app's only going to get better. Once you download Taja and start using it, I think they have a free trial as well. Make sure you click on the link in the description. Highly recommend. I'll see you in the next video.